Okay, I'm done straightening my hair. I don't think I want to take it out anymore, so I'm going to wait for my friend to come. She says she's on her way and she's stuck in traffic. And yeah, maybe we're going to make the after party, who knows. But yeah, because I had a previous engagement like today before, but because she invited me out, I didn't want to say no, even though I'm very good at saying no. That's my favorite thing to do. No, 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 you know. But she's my girl, so yeah, I'm going to just wait for her to get here. Thank God I've done my own makeup, and I know she's going to be super tired, and I don't even have food to give her. Let me order for her. Hi, good morning. So yesterday was lit. That party was awesome. Excuse the way I look. I'm going to the lady that I want to fix my eyebrows. Is it a store or studio? I'm going to the studio now. I want to like touch my eyebrows, so it's gonna look more pink than what it is already. I'm still sleepy, but I just want to go now because I paid that like 2 months ago and I keep postponing it. Oh, I'm gonna come. But today, because I'm home, I'm just like, you know what, I'll just go. So I texted her and she has an opening, so I'm going to go there. And yeah, let's get ready. Alright, so I'm ready to go make my brows. Because it's literally next to me, it keeps falling. This is a really good job. This is a really good job. So yeah, let's get although it's still going to fade out, but it looks good, but I'm not sure if I love it yet. So this is where we are. So I don't have to always draw my brows every single day anymore because I got it done and it's sorted.
Papa,